pottery, I guess. And now I'm saying, girl, you changed. And as I'm saying, it's pottery. I'm saying, girl, you changed. Like you changed. And now ma'am says you must say sorry. And then I say, why you also chasing Titi away? And then she said, no, what ma'am said, the boys must go sit. And then she calls them my bestie, my first bestie, like my best friend, calls them Mika, our friend. Then she said, no, and then she said, no, but ma'am also mean the people that's by the group, and only Layla and Liam could stay because they only came now. Then I said, okay. Then I was looking at Titi like this. Then I just packed away. And I'm so happy, guys, that today was the last day that we get it. Today was the last day for my class to get homework. And now we don't have homework. So every time I come from school, I go to aftercare, I go change into my normal clothes and just relax. And just relax. And relax. And guys, since it's almost December, we're having a class party. Yeah. But I'm gonna get you guys back because I'm gonna call my friend Lindo.